Sobrang honored po ako to be part of this family. Kasama po si Bossing Vic Soto. At lalo na to represent a brand that's not just about play, but also about revolutionizing online entertainment. To our press and media press, maraming salamat po for coming. Thank you so much na binigyan niyo po kami ng oras ninyo. Sana po matulungan niyo kami ikuwento sa lahat ang gaming at online entertainment ay hindi lang po tungkol sa laro. Kung hindi tungkol din po ito sa fun, bonding at responsableng enjoyment. Para naman po sa public at sa lahat ng supporters ko, maraming salamat po. You've been with me through so many chapters of my life. And this one is really special. Kasi ang Playtime for me, hindi lang to platform eh. It's a community where we can connect, collaborate, celebrate, and enjoy together. And syempre, marami pa po tayong aabangan ng mga exciting features, mga content collaborations, and many ways to play, to win, and to share happiness online. At syempre po sa Playtime users natin, wala po kami dito kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. Kayo po ang heartbeat ng platform na ito. And I'm so excited to grow and enjoy with you guys. Together, let's make every moment of Playtime memorable. Playtime na!
Playtime!
Playtime